y'all, welcome to back to my channel. As y'all can tell, we're in the airport. I'm gonna let y'all guess where we're going. We're going on a day trip, which I'm really excited for. I think we start boarding at 7:20. If I'm not mistaken, it's 6:01. Put it on my edge just a little bit because I have my freaking sweatsuit and my fur Berkeys, so I'm a little hot. But I'll see you guys when we get on the plane. I don't think my man's sitting next to me. Wait, did you see if he was sitting next to me? Y'all, this boy wanted to take a shot, but I put it in here. It's Bailey's because he wanted the Tito's. So.
Place your carry-on items in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. No stowage of carry-on items.
Oh, look at that candy. Yeah, Bath and Body Works outlet. As y'all can see, we landed. Excuse the way I look. But we landed and we're picking up our rental car. It is, I think, probably 7 a.m. here already. Yeah, 7:07 here. Which means it's 3:00 something back from. But as you can see, we are in Iceland for the next few days. Y'all, it's cold, but it's like having to travel in New York, like in the cold, it doesn't bother me. Like, it's not that cold. It's like 40 something. I don't know if I right now, but I know the highs are gonna be like 45 degrees. I should have bought a tissue. My nose keeps running. Oh, this is nice. Let me show you the inside.
Iceland on the rocks, yeah. You're a boss, just flex. You bought you a house, it ain't even your birthday. I'm trying to do your quick.
Better than you smell, better than you taste, better than you face.
And you're doing well for yourself, just like you planned. Let me help you expand. You're doing nothing again. She from Michigan, but she tastes like water. The cleanest water. You wanna get home and swap? I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. Who's out there for me? Say they don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up.
Alright, y'all, we're in the city of Reykjavik. It's still early, so nothing is really open yet. It's 8:32. It seems like most of the places open like 10, 11 o'clock. But it's cute.
Some of y'all gon' get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feeling when the costume too. I swear I'll be peace in the one thing. Yeah, only want you to be vitality. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. When I'm down for me, that's the way I like it. I'm ready for 30, I'm ready for 30, I'm ready for 30, I'm ready for 30.
Like, he got a Nutella donut. And this is a caramel one. And then you got a chocolate chip cookie. And then we're gonna try their orange juice. And I got a bagel with cream cheese. I clicked receipt so I could see how much it was. Do you remember what it said?
What?
The amount?
35.
Came out to $26.
Hmm?
It came out to $26.
No. I'm saying it was 35 US.
35 US?
Don't worry. I believe we're gonna listen after this.
I mean, they did say that the food was expensive. Well, okay, that came out to $35 US, I guess. I'll see how it is. I got a Parmesan bagel because they didn't have any plain bagels, even though they say they have plain bagels. See how it tastes when it comes out. Here's my Parmesan bagel with cream cheese. Wait, try the oranges. Orange juice isn't that bad, it's just a little sour.
And country? Yeah.
Guys, we're at the Sky Lounge. The next available appointment wasn't until, hold on, my wristband phone. But the next available time, I think, is 12. So this one is for our lockers, and then this one is access to the spas and everything. Wait, but is this one called the Blue Lagoon? Or is it called Skylight? 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 I had to get a Pepsi because I need to like belch, but there's no, they don't have like ginger ale and stuff like that. Yeah, like all their little soaps and stuff. Alright y'all, so before the spa we have to take a shower. And I have my little mirror here with like baskets and stuff. So yeah, see, I want to get out the shower. We're in the water, but look right here. It's so windy. Have to do something about this. This is so. You guys, we are out of the. It's not the Blue Lagoon, but it's, what's it called? I keep calling it the Blue Sky Lagoon. But Blue Lagoon, Sky Lagoon, they all the same thing. This one was so nice. I recommend if y'all come to Iceland, come to this one. They give you like a spa experience. They have a cold plunge, a steam room, a sauna. Then they give you like a body scrub to put on you, rinse it off, and then you could get back into the lagoon. It was really, really nice. Right now it is 1:47. We're about to go to KFC to try it. Hopefully it's really good. I can't do nothing but hope. And then he was saying some circle thing to explore. I don't know, but we'll see.
Get in the mirror, kiss my face, I'm too conceited. Send a girl home, call another dog, I'm too slime. She don't wanna eat it on the first day, it's her round.
Okay, y'all, let's see what KFC has for us. I really do hope it's good. Should I get the wings since you're getting that chicken shit? These chicken wings are too big for my liking, but I gotta eat it because the meal was $40. I just want to say, I can't believe So nasty. The chicken tenders weren't bad, but we're about to go to a monument. And by the way, our milk was $45. Yeah, my hair got so messed up from the water. In the gas station market right now, I'm getting some water. I think we have like a 2-hour ride to wherever it is that he wants to go. Hopefully we get to see the Northern Lights later. That's what I really want to see. You want a picture here?
Huh?
You want a picture here?
Yeah, I should go down.
You want a picture? You want a picture? The camera.
No?
Hold on, y'all. I'm taking this picture. Look at the view, y'all. Oh, I stopped y'all by accident, but too cute. So pretty. We're about to try to go all the way down to the lake. But y'all, look at the people over there. Can y'all see them? They're so fire. Ah. Guys, we're at the waterfall. In the gift store. I'm picking up my shot glasses. Look at the view. It's so pretty. My shot glasses. I got 2 for now. And then if I find more, like if we go somewhere else, I'll get more. But I just started with 2. These came out to $13. I'm gonna show y'all the receipt. Look what it looks like. Somebody dropped their razor. Let me show y'all. Put the blacks in.
And crystals that look like
To pay so he could feed the horses. I guess they're not that hungry no more. Everybody probably fed them already. But one thing I do know, I ain't feed them. I don't need no horse look in my hand. Do y'all hear this man? Tell me, so yo. The horses didn't want to come to us, so he just threw the food in their field for them to eat. Here they are. I'm scared. I'm scared it's gonna get me. Ooh. Say bye-bye. Yeah, look how he's just staring, or she. So we made it into our hotel for the night. Excuse the hair. Right, I'm gonna give y'all like a little tour. So obviously this is the front door. Then the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really pretty. Really nice in here. I wish there had sliding doors. I hate a shower curtain in a hotel. But it's really, really nice. And then you come here. I guess stuff. They gave us robes. some slippers. I'll use these slippers. Ignore that. I was cleaning. I did my cleaning already. Towel beds. Now the beds are separate, so we have our own twin bed. Oh, I didn't notice this mini fridge. That's cool. This is the outside of our hotel. I would highly recommend. It's too cute. Ignore the hair. I'm putting my hat on, but it's in the car. We took showers, and now we're trying to find food, but I think all the decent food is in Reykjavik, and that's the problem because we're an hour away from there, and plus the northern lights are more on this side than Reykjavik because of all their city lights and stuff.
I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. $500 for your fucking ass, $200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up on the stairs.
Let's try this creamery.
I buy you shit because you red.
It's good. That's like the juice they give you in IKEA. We're waiting on our pizza and fries. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I put a mic on my Christmas list so everybody can hear me. It's like a thin crust pizza. Not bad. Now I'm trying the fries and their chocolate mayo. Unfortunately, we weren't able to see the northern lights tonight, but we're gonna try again tomorrow. We're gonna see it tomorrow. Speaking it into existence. We're about to call it night. I think it's like 11 o'clock now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, right now we're about to just go downstairs, get some breakfast, and then start the day. I don't know what we'll end up doing because I know he wants to go to the beaches. It was like a black sand beach or something, but it's closed because of the current. My contacts in today. I'm just gonna have to fix my lashes, but because it's raining, well, I got to get foggy while we're exploring, and I can't see nothing. So I'm gonna put my contacts in, and then put my clothes on, and then finish my skincare. Like it's gonna be a little colder, so I'm gonna put. Yesterday I had on thermal leggings. I'm gonna put them thermal leggings underneath the sweats. I don't have no patience to be cold while we're exploring, especially since it's gonna be raining. So I'll be back when I'm dressed. We got pancakes and some apple juice. Guys, I didn't have time to do my hair is all crooked. I didn't have time to do my face care, so I'm just gonna have to throw on some lotion, some face lotion. Don't have time to fix my lashes either. I'm sure I can fix them in the car, but I'd rather not. But the lagoon messed up my hair, but as soon as I wrapped it, I went right back to normal. Y'all can't tell because I got the hat on. We drunk, got drunk. Alright, he stopped to get some gas because it seems like where we're going is an hour and 15 minutes. Yay. I'll probably end up falling asleep. Actually, no, I won't. These roads are crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. They don't really have street lights like that except for like if it's in a big like community. Once you get on the road, there's not really street lights, so
I just wanna be straight out your deep end. What I got my feet, never hit the sleeping. But I never wanna be. I promise I ain't.
we're stopping for gas. He didn't get gas the other time because he didn't understand what it was saying. So he's stopping for gas now. Yo, I'm so tired. So right now at home, it's technically 7:30 in the morning, which means technically we woke up at like 5 in the morning. Just tired. I really feel like I was up for 24 hours straight because right after work was our flight. And then from our flight, as soon as we landed, it was like 7 something in the morning here. By the time we made it through customs and we got our rental car, it was probably like around 8:30. Drove to the Sky Lagoon thing, and we took like maybe a half an hour nap in the car because they didn't open until 10, and we got there maybe like 9. Yeah, we got there like 9. Maybe we have like 40 minutes left, if I'm not mistaken. I'll see you guys whenever we get to our final, well, not final destination, but our first stop for the day. Umbrella keeps embarrassing me, but we're leaving the waterfall now. We got the opportunity to walk behind the waterfall, but I'm clumsy and there's no steps and it's slippery, so I sat that one out. What you say? It's hot? Oh, he said it was hot. We're heading back to the car now. We're at the Black Sand Beach. I don't know what it's called. Race and Fajara. That's how you say it?
What?
You can't scan it? Oh. So here's the black sand. And yes, it's still pouring. It's gonna be raining all day, which means we probably won't be able to see the northern lights because it's cloudy and stuff. Oh! Huh? Look how big those waves are. I'm gonna. Yeah, I want y'all to see my umbrella. Look at it. It's embarrassing. We stopped at the little gas station thing to get some snacks. I don't know what I want. They have Pringles. Look, let me show you what they have. think I'm gonna get those. Or should I get this? Maybe I'll get these. Okay, let's try this candy. That's really, really good. We have an hour and 26 minutes to our hotel, and then we're gonna go out to eat.
I move mountains for you, for that. Lean into me. Lean into me. You can sit by my side on Jesus.
What? It would have been nice if they did it there. You want me to go? Okay. Ooh, it's tight in here. Okay, so we finally figured out the light stuff, but this is the bathroom. The shower is so tea. I gotta figure out how to turn the light on over here though. And then we have a balcony. Oh, the view is so pretty. Hey, baby, we dropped our stuff off at the hotel, so now we're about to go explore the city over here because it's so cute. And then grab something to eat wherever he wants to go. Which way? Oh, look, they have like a 7-Eleven that's open 24 hours. Okay.
I'm guessing you want to go to the football.
Oh, no, it was where you want to go eat. Okay, y'all, he's starving me. I should have brought my candy. Yeah, look at they delis. Why do you have shorts? Anyways, we just had dinner and it was so good. I had a burger and fries. I didn't want to record because it was so tight in there, and the people next to us kept looking at us like we was cuckoo. We're going to the market so we could get like water to have. I think it's still kind of early. I think it's 8:42. Yeah. So I'll see you guys when we get to the market.
We can just go to the bar and start serving drinks. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's give her a good hand. Saves on the bass.
For the first time, and more practice.
Try it.
I mean, you requested a great song.
You did, actually.
Are you guys up for Carry On My Wayward Song? It's a big song, you know? We might screw it up, but...
We might F it up, actually, but we'll see.
Okay, how was it again? You pick.
So is the... Where am I?
Ready?
I think you are.
Yeah, that place was cute. If I don't even know what songs they were singing. Yeah, we're in the subways because he wanted chocolate chip cookies. They have a loaded nachos on a sandwich. It's kind of cool. See what they have in here. Oh, they had cookies. I wonder if you want it cold. Okay. Oh, you got two? $3.29, $4.29. Oh, look at their Gatorade. Oh, look at all their chips. Oh, babe, look at their Flamin' Hot Doritos. Oh, they have Haagen-Dazs. They don't have vanilla. Huh? No, but you've heard it for real. Look, they have whatchamacallit. Ben and Jerry. I wish they had like different ice cream. This store has everything. Oh, they have ramen. They have bananas. Okay. I'm finished here. Okay, but we could pay. I'm gonna show y'all the entrance to our hotel. Since I didn't show y'all before. Yeah, but use yours. Good morning, guys. I don't know why my hat always is so crooked. It's our last half day in Iceland. Right now we're about to walk and get some Starbucks. I'm gonna get like a croissant or something. I do really want to buy a whatchamacallit. What's it called? Starbucks cup from here. So I got this cup in Iceland. Y'all know I'm obsessed with my cups. Thank you.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know why I put this thermal on.
No, I think you should have strong.
So, alright, y'all, let's try their chai latte. I'm like sweating out my hair. This chai is so good. Ready? We're in a Christmas store. I'm picking on the ornament for the tree this year. $16. Okay, I'll get it. I'll get this one. It's so cute. I give it an 8 too because we didn't get to see the Northern Lights. I'm about to show you how this view is so pretty. I put some lip gloss on me because the lips is dry. Let me show y'all. Oh, their city is so pretty. Like, it's so nice and clean. It's cold. I think after this we're heading I don't even know where we're heading. We have to return the car at 3 and then our flight is at 5 or 6. I don't know. And this flight we'll actually be able to sit next to each other. So happy about that. Because on the way here we weren't able to, and I had this girl that kept putting her feet on me. Y'all look at the rainbow. Texting me, don't bother coming home as if the crib ain't mine. What's on your mind? Alright, y'all, we're at an Iceland mall now. Let's see what they talking about. So why they think in the front seat? It said no. Y'all hear the song they playing in here? Oh, I wanted those. I want these. Yeah, look at the price. Wait, let me do this. P6000 is $192. I think not. Oh, it's 20% off some of the stuff. Yeah, we came in another store. Look at this. Is it a pen? Now look, it's Joe in the juice. Huh? Wait, can y'all see? Oh yeah, now y'all can see. Look at their H&M. Wanna go down? They have an espresso. Oh, they have L'Occitane. It's probably an arm, a leg, and a front toe. Look where we're at. Oh, they even have the kitty corner too. The kitty corner. Look at these Christmas. They love Christmas here. I thought I loved Christmas. They love Christmas more than me. This is so cute. The kitchens are so cute. Look at this little cute setup for the parents with the baby. I like that. I never seen that before. At least I don't think. I don't know. You want juice or water? We're gonna try this juice this time. I don't really like that one.
That's the first normal thing we do. Yeah, catch up.
Yeah, they're supposed to. Alright, guys, this is our chicken wings and french fries, and then we got some juice. Mmm. That's really good. This one is, I guess, their fruit punch. Did it taste like fruit punch? The one you had yesterday?
That's what I drink?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try it. That's really good. Yeah, the food wasn't even that good for real.